Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Baraka nuclear power plant is in dash. Answer is UAE. Number 2. Biafra is a news agency of which country? Answer is Nigeria. Number 3. Author of With the Qaid-e-Azam during his last days is dash. Answer is Colonel Eli Baksh. Number 4. Asian Men's Hockey Champion Trophy 2016 held in dash. Answer is Malaysia. Number 5. Ashgabad is the capital city of dash. Answer is Turkmenistan. Number 6. Ariana is airlines of which country? Answer is Afghanistan. Number 7. Angela Merkel is the chancellor of. Answer is Germany. Number 8. An ordinary mobile phone communicate by using dash. Answer is radio wave. Number 9. Al Jazeera TV channel belongs to which country? Answer is Qatar. Number 10. Agrology is the study of dash. Answer is study of agricultural soils. Number 11. Aeroflot is the airline of dash. Answer is Russia. Number 12. According to the latest research on smoking consumption in Asia 2017, dash is at the top of the list. Answer is Pakistan. Number 13. According to area, the largest district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is. Answer is Chitral. Number 14. About how many taste buds does the average human tongue have? Answer is 10,000. Number 15. A group of mostly female lions is called dash. Answer is pride. Number 16. A group of elephant is called. Answer is herd. Herd, herd. Number 17. A card of which color dismisses a player from the match? Answer is red. Number 18. Port of Bushehr is the seaport of dash. Answer is Iran. Number 19. Great Salt Lake is located in dash. Answer is USA. Number 20. Zulu is the prominent tribe of Dash. Answer is South Africa.